Hey, good morning, Vikings. I just wanted to come to you really quick this morning to give you your instructions for the day and let you know what you need to be doing for Mrs. Yates. If you are in my second or third period math intervention class, on Monday we worked on DD19 on level E. Yesterday we did DD20 on level E. And today you're gonna do DD21 on level E. What you're gonna be doing on that is kind of determining which shape has a bigger area or a bigger perimeter. And perimeter, remember, is like the outside edge of the shape. So if you're finding perimeter, you gotta add up the outside edges, okay? So it'll have two different shapes. You gotta determine which one has the bigger or smaller area or perimeter on it. You can use your formula charts over on the side as well as your composition books that are over there on the side as well. And like I said, area is, all of our base times height, 1/2 base times height, pi r squared, stuff like that. And then our perimeter is just adding the outside edges. So that's periods 2 and 3. Period 5, reading intervention. Remember I told you guys I was gonna photocopy that one sheet. You're gonna read the article and you're gonna answer the questions that are there at the end. There are 3 and 3. So on that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna answer the 3 yes and the 3 no on that. So you have a total of 6. And you're just gonna use a piece of paper, Miss Yates, over on the side, but where the composition books are, I've got like just loads of paper. Just feel free to grab one of those, hand them out to the kids, put their name on it, and turn it into you. Also, that second and third period class, when they get their final score, their goal in my math intervention class is to get 1 ribbon. They can go higher than that if they want to, but once they get their 1 ribbon, if they'll come up and show you the score, you can just put their initials, like AL, and he'll probably won't score any more than like a 50 on that. I'm just kidding, Angel. And then finally, my 7 and 8 period class, we're gonna spend our first 30 minutes of reading like we always do. If you wanna set a timer, Miss Yates, for them, we usually do 2 15-minute sections of reading at the beginning. And then once that's over and done with, what you guys will do is you guys will pass out the copies of the book Refugee, which is over there on the side filing cabinet. And I'll have queued up the listening part of that for you guys to be able to use that once you guys get into that book, okay? Right now, we just finished writing our reviews on what happened with Isabel, Mahmoud, and Joseph. Kind of looking at, what's the protagonist's role, like what's happening in this point in history, stuff like that. And so once you guys get done with that, you guys will submit that, or you guys will read we're gonna try to do 2 chapters per character today. Miss Yates will come by here later this afternoon and show you what that all looks like. But that's what we got for today. So if you guys have time, you're gonna have time to do it. As soon as you guys get that done, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Miss Yates, if you have any issues out of anybody, just write their name down on a piece of paper. Thank you so much. See you guys.